Here. There we go. He's camera shy, I think.
Here at Pow Pow's Mountain, or Grandfather Mountain, whichever you want to call it. I call it Pow Pow's Mountain. What do you call it?
That's what you call your grandpa?
Pow Pow, yeah.
Well, my grandpa's dead, so.
Oh, well, that's kind of
I don't know what I call him. I am so excited.
It's windy as hell up here. We're hiking up to the top towards the bridge right now, and then we're gonna start the Grandfather Mountain Trail first. I don't know how it's gonna clear out yet. It's pretty cloudy. Once again, McKenna's fault.
It's actually the weather's fault, not mine.
Yeah, whatever.
And we can't really reschedule because this is our last.
It's our last week here.
But we're hiking up to Callaway Peak. I think it's about a 2.5 mile hike, but it's supposed to take like 5 hours because it's just so strenuous.
I ain't scared.
No, I'm not scared. I was just.
About to blow away. So we had to park in the lower parking lot and walk up to where the Mile High Bridge is, and then walk over to the actual trail. So that's what we're doing now. Walking through this parking lot. And we're coming to the trailhead now. Woo! This is the big boy. Hey, your hair's kind of a mess.
Thank you. Yours is too.
Alright, let's get it. Let's do it. We need to put our thing in the box.
Yeah, that is.
Do a hiker's registration. Just in case you get lost up there. Why are you always stripping on the trail, babe?
What do you mean? You get
Damn,
hot.
look at those muscles!
Yeah, right.
Holy hell!
Okay, I'm ready.
You've been doing CrossFit, haven't you?
No, you wish.
There you go. Our Raynaud's already kicking in. Look at that finger. Get in there.
There's a little backpack on me, don't worry. Yeah.
Get in there.
I can't take the pack.
It's too tight, isn't it?
Yeah. What the pack?
Go in there.
Hope there's no spooky scaries.
Go in there.
We'll go to the other side. Oh hell no, I'm scared. There's a lot of caves over there.
There's a lot of caves over there?
I'm scared.
I'm coming.
No, I'm scared.
Out of the cave, baby. Go. Go. Okay, your turn.
Oh, that's fine. Teeny tiny. You know what I feel like we were walking like?
What?
What's her name from The Incredibles?
Huh?
The costume designer from The Incredibles. She like walks like that. The girl with the black hair and the glasses.
Edna?
Yeah. She walks like that. She's like, I don't know how to do it.
Do it.
I can't walk like that. Be careful for real. I don't think you should have your camera in your hand.
This part's fine.
I'm literally worried about the wind blowing.
It's not bad.
Tiny person. I'm gonna get blown off.
I can't even see.
Holy shit. This is ridiculous.
Onward. Oh yeah.
You going up or down?
I'm trying to go down, but I don't want to end on that.
Oh yeah, please don't hit that. You didn't think that through, did you?
No.
Alright, well, let's try to come down.
Watch out. Watch out. The sun literally just came out.
Finally.
Yay!
Unsteady. It's so hard my camera.
Ow. I hit my head on the tree.
Oh God. It's cold in here. Whew. My hand is freezing. Whew.
Oof.
It's so steep. Oh my God, babe, look at that view. Wow.
Crazy.
The visibility cleared some.
Yeah.
That's good.
Mm-hmm. Here, it's in my bag.
I wonder if those little boys went all the way up there.
The ones that just passed us?
Yeah, look right here. The ladder is literally on the side.
Oh, wow.
And you have to like turn. It's literally on the side and it's so windy. Oh my god. I'm kind of scared, to be honest. Whew. Alright, I'm gonna get my sweatshirt. I remember Dad being scared.
It looks like they're only going up like 2 ladders and then everybody's not going any further.
Really? Yeah. Well, I feel like that ladder I saw that girl on in the corner, I thought that was the last one.
Yeah.
That one we saw. Oh, babe, my hair's stuck in the zipper.
Yay! Whoa. You know going down is gonna be worse. Oh my goodness. Alright, I'm gonna keep going up. I can't even hold the camera still. Yeah, don't go any further that way. I'm literally, I cannot stop shaking. My heart is pounding. Woo. I don't know how we're gonna get back down the ladders. God, I'm shaking. I'm fucking shaking. It's terrifying. I know. Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
A lot better when you sit. It's got so much pop.
I really don't know how we just did that. I am extremely afraid of heights. Extremely! There's like a group of like 5 10-year-olds behind us.
Oh, and one of them's wearing Crocs.
And they've only fell once.
And the dads are literally not watching them at all.
I'm terrified.
I guess that's impressive, though. Depends how you look at it. I need to take that off.
Them kids gonna blow off the mountain. Oh shit. Fucking A.
Those two girls already scrambled up here.
Yeah.
In front of us.
They're trying to go to the plane.
Yeah, that's true.
Shit. Huh? I dropped my cap. I'm coming. This is insane.
This is cool.
Oh. Shit.
Oh my god, dude. This was insane. You look so funny.
Oh. It just keeps going up. It's just awesome. We are hauling ass right now. We're trying to make it to Callaway Peak and get back to our car. It's already been like 3.5 miles since we left the trailhead and almost 4 hours. So, but we've also been taking a lot of pictures and doing a lot of filming. So hopefully we can make it back to the car in time. But for right now, I'm gonna try to put the camera down so I don't bust my ass and so that we can make it to Callaway Peak. Doing okay?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
We're gonna have to go down and then we're gonna have to go back up.
Yeah. What is it called? Callaway Peak is right there. We're definitely not gonna make it. We have like 20 minutes till I want to turn around.
There's no way. It's across the fucking valley. We need to go down and then up again. It's not gonna happen.
Alright, well, we're turning around.
It don't even look that cool, to be honest, anyways.
We still got a hightail back home though.
Yeah, I know. Well, you're lucky I decided now to turn around.
Well, I'm gonna take all my clothes off.
Join the club.
Alright.
That is what it is, though. It has to be.
Sandwich.
Yeah. And that is like across the valley. Ain't no way in hell. One of these has mayonnaise. This one has mayonnaise.
Oh well. Maybe next year.
I'm really not upset about it at all. I think we saw some amazing things.
Oh, for sure.
I mean,
I doubt that's probably not even the coolest view we saw.
Exactly.
The ladders were definitely the coolest.
It's just the other side of the valley. Yeah, no, the best part of the trail, I mean, don't get me wrong, the views were cool, but yeah, the best part is like the trails, for sure. Like, gotta get this back.
God, there's like 50 jackets. I'm chugging this.
Yeah. Oh, that's it. That's the Callaway Peak down there.
That little one?
Yeah, that's it.
Oh.
You go up there though, but then you go down from there. That's called something else. Or no, that's Callaway Peak and then, yeah, Callaway Gap. I think it says it's only 0.3 miles on here. And there's no way that's 0.3 miles.
It is probably, but I mean straight across.
Well, yeah. Like, no, we gotta go down.
Not through the mountains.
And then up again. That's like a whole other hour at least. Well, I think we're the ones to make it farthest today.
Oh, we're definitely the last people on this trail right now.
For sure. I'm a little nervous about it. Yeah, I guess the girls turned around.
They're just slow.
No, they're not slow. They seem somewhat experienced. They know what time constraints they have. They would be on our asses. They must turn around.
You gonna want this again?
No, I'm not. There ain't no way. There ain't no way. Wow.
Damn it, I forgot one.
Where'd you get? I'm starting to get a blister on my foot, like at the bottom. Like, that's not good. And I have the good socks on too. I don't know what's going on there.
What is going on? Alright, you drink all the water you wanted?
Yes. Why, is that all the water? Oh, you still have a cup.
There's 2 cups in there. Is yours empty?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I can't believe we actually thought we were gonna make it. That's real funny.
It's quite hysterical, isn't it?
That's actually really funny.
Hey, you can have big dreams.
Yeah, I mean, I tried, man. I tried. Also gotta be realistic. Well, I'm just glad I finally was like, you also gotta just pay attention to your damn surroundings.
Yep.
I'm like, I don't see another peak within 20-minute walking distance.
This fucking pack is fucking full right now.
Oh my god, that scared me.
Oh my goodness. Freaking full as hell. Back down we go. We're almost out of the trail.
That was
I'm so tired. Come on, we're almost there. We're gonna go to the Mile High Bridge next, the swinging bridge.
And the animals.
And maybe the animals, it depends on how tired we are.
But I want a Diet Coke first.
She wouldn't shut up about the Diet Coke for the last 2 miles.
We get one from the gift shop, let me tell you what.
Diet Coke. Women and their Diet Coke.
That really is a thing, isn't it?
It is a thing.
It's my favorite soda.
High five on the hike, by the way.
Yeah, we
Like,
did that shit.
Almost 7 miles. It's our longest hike as a couple.
It was beautiful.
And it was
You've
awesome.
done a hike longer than that?
I ran a Table Rock half marathon.
How many is that?
13 miles.
Oh. 13?
Yes.
You ran 13?
Yes.
That was only 6?
Yeah.
What?
I know.
Up a mountain?
Yeah, and it took me like 2.5 hours.
I genuinely don't actually understand that. I'm baffled right now. I
It's
didn't
that
realize
good.
what that, I guess, was until we did this today.
It was technically a 15K, but it came out to like 12.5 miles. So,
Baffled.
yeah. But, yeah. Very proud of you. We're gonna go there. It's really busy.
Yeah, I mean.
You want your Diet Coke?
No, we'll do that first.
Okay.
I don't want to look like a complete psycho.
Okay. I didn't do any filming on the way down, and we tried to get to Callaway Peak, but I didn't do any filming on the way there either because we were hauling ass. But Yeah, and this video is gonna be like super fucking long too, so I'm trying to hold out for tomorrow because we have a lot to do tomorrow. Right, baby?
Yes. What are they gonna do this thing? Leave it home, that's the best drink I've ever had in my life. Oh, look how fizzy it is. Oh my god.
Let me get some.
Yeah, don't act like you don't want none.
Give me some of
That is a
that.
reward. Doesn't that taste great?
Shit.
Mushy.
Oh. Freaking. Oh.
Yeah. Look what you eat. This is on. Can I change my pants?
Yeah, change your pants. I can't see your
Wait,
bottoms.
maybe
Just wait until we get somewhere.
I'm just trying to decide what I want to wear. Where's my Diet Coke? Give me that. What are you doing right now?
I'm posting my Strava. Strava.
Babe.
What?
We are beat.
Yeah, I'm fucking tired, dude.
Oh my god. That was crazy. That was...
You wanna go see the bears?
Yeah, I do.
Grandfather Mountain Adventure. 7.36 miles. 1,805 feet of elevation gain in way more than 3 hours and 34 minutes.
Bullshit!
That's our moving time.
Oh. That's some bullshit. We've been here since 10:30 and it is now 5
o'clock.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I'm surprised I didn't eat as much food. I definitely overpacked on food. I wasn't even hungry for that sandwich. I just knew I needed to eat it.
I haven't been hungry either.
Are my shoulders burnt or is this just tight? I think it's just tight.
I don't know, but my fucking shoulders hurt.
Your shoulders were super red too. Just from carrying a pack.
That thing is heavy.
Nah, that shit was very heavy. I bet it was like 40 pounds. This shit is no joke.
Alright, let's go see the bears.
And the otter.
He's taking a nap.
He's sleeping.
So, apparently, my kid didn't reserve a camping spot. So we got to check in the morning. We just picked an unoccupied spot. We're back at Grandfather Campground. It's the one that we stayed last time we were here at Grandfather Mountain. And
Can you get?
we kind of fucked up,
No, I didn't.
basically.
I need to go pee. Can we get on there?
So the rules here are, if you get here late, and so we basically got here before they closed, or after they closed. And if you get here after they closed, then you just pick an unoccupied campsite. Quit being grumpy, I swear to God.
I'm not grumpy. I have to pee. Do you want me to piss in the car?
Piss in the, go to pee. If you basically just pick a unoccupied camp spot and check in the morning, but you risk like people that have reserved the camp spot coming onto the camp spot and you having to leave for them. So, yeah. We got site number T67 this time instead of T66. It's a little bit more open. It's got fire pits. Kind of setting up the tent. Last time we were here, you could walk down to the water. I think there's still a little trail that goes down to the water, so we'll go take a look at it, see what it looks like. I hear water. Oh, that's cool. So there's like a picnic table down here and stuff. River. Might come down here and chill. Pretty cool. Down here by the river, there's actually like a whole picnic table and fire pit to do a fire down here, which I think is super cool. 2 fire pits. So that might be fun. We might go down there for a little bit. I don't know if I've told you guys this before, but you're probably wondering how we charge our equipment when we're on like these 3-day trips. So one of our circuits on our dual battery system is an aux circuit that runs to the back of the vehicle. It has a couple USB hookups. This is what it looks like. So it's this aux button and it runs to the back where we have couple of these USB hookups and like a cigarette lighter hookup. It also controls the fridge, I believe. This is a fridge hookup here. But this is how we charge our phones and our cameras during the nighttime. Good morning. We are heading out of the campground right now. Gotta check by the office and pay for last night. McKenna's in the washroom getting ready for the day. I don't know the exact plans for today, but I think we're going to Linville Falls and Hawksbill again. It's a lot nicer today. The weather's really nice. It's supposed to get in the 70s again. So we should have a good view up there at Hawksbill. The campground was nice again. The grandfather campground, that's where we stayed at T67. Last time we stayed at T66. It was a little colder last time. Now it's pretty warm, and it was very comfortable to sleep last night. I even took my shirt off and stuff. Like it was warm. We had to take down some windows too. But we're about to head out for some more hiking today. I think McKenna is like super sore today, so we'll try to take it easy. We're trying to make it back home by at least like 4 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, so we can go to the pool, lay by the pool for a little bit and relax. But yeah, we'll be doing that today. So we tried to check in and the office wasn't open again, so I mean we just had to leave. So we got a free camping spot last night, so you know to stay at Grandfather Mountain between office hours because they won't make you pay. But we're here at Mountain Grounds Coffee and Tea Co. here in Grandfather Mountain to get some coffee.
I think we're gonna try.
I don't know.
Do you eat it already? I do.
Maybe it's in the bottom of the book bag.
You want a banana?
No banana.
5 bananas.
Coffee's good, ain't it?
It's so good. I feel hungover.
You look hungover.
Like actually. Genuinely. You don't feel bad at all?
Feel great, actually. This Jeter juice.
I feel bad. My legs hurt.
Well, you got a lot of hiking to do today.
Yeah.
So you got your warm-up for the day.
This is not my warm-up.
This is your warm-up.
No, it's not.
It's not very strenuous. How's it not a warm-up?
Huh?
What would you call it?
Any up step.
So this is a workout then?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
Hawksbill's gonna be torture.
Linville Falls was pretty cool. I didn't expect that kind of waterfall. It's pretty neat.
Yeah,
The
no,
gorge
that
was
was-
very big.
That was beautiful.
Beautiful.
I wish we would have done another trail. Well, it's not right here, but it's a trail into the gorge. But that is not something I'm up today. And we'd either have to pick that or Hawksbill, so.
Yep. It was fun though.
Yeah.
On to Hawksbill we go. Are we gonna do that one?
I want to do it. It looks awesome.
A little change in plans.
Fuck. I hate myself.
What are we doing? Oh god. Babbly? We're doing Babbly? Oh, we need gas.
Yeah, damn it, babe. You should have got it when we were
I know, I forgot. I'm sorry.
So I don't think we're doing Hawksbill anymore. Because, I don't know, after our views at Grandfather Mountain yesterday, I know Hawksbill is beautiful, but it's not quite as cool as Grandfather Mountain was. And it's also not as fun when it's all lush and green, the view from Hawksbill. So I think we're going to skip it, and we've already done it. And we're going to check out Babel Tower Trail, which hikes down into the Linville Gorge, and into the Linville River, I guess. It's a 2.5 mile trail, and it's rated hard on all trails.
That's great. You're gonna die.
So,
You're literally gonna die today.
that's what I want to do. It looks beautiful. And everyone swims at the bottom.
What is Grandfather Mountain rated?
Hard.
Oh, okay. Not worried about it.
It says it's, 2.5 miles.
That's how long Grandfather Mountain was. That took us
It
6
says
hours.
an average time of an hour and a half.
Down and back, or there and back, or just there?
That's what it says. Out and back, hour and a half. I think that's how you read it. Right.
I guess, yeah. We'll see.
Oh, I know I'm gonna regret it. I already regret it.
Well, let's go get gas and get on the way then.
But I want to do it. It looks beautiful.
Can you pull up your GPS? Because mine won't.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah, that's fucking beautiful.
That's just the one picture that will load.
Yeah, that's fucking beautiful.
It says 3 miles round trip.
Oh, let's fucking go!
Well,
So, change of plans again. We're now at the Bynum Bluff Trail. That's the one that we decided on. It goes down to the Linville River. We really want to get in some water today. It feels so nice. But I am feeling dehydrated, so I need to eat something. So, I think I'm just going to wear these shorts. They're just more comfortable to hike in. And then, yeah. I'll go pee. Where'd the banana at? Oh, I see it. It's so nice today. Holy hell. I might go down to the river. Swim. Oh, you will swim. Let's go play somewhere. We'll be on our way soon. Maybe we got the river on both sides of us right now.
yeah.
That's cool. We're basically on a peninsula. Almost there.
This looks nice. Might be a little too rapid to swim though. Shit. We made it. Thank God.
It's fucking beautiful.
Yeah.
There's water. It's clear. Where's my fishing rod?
I know you need a little pack.
There's literally fish like all up in here. You see them?
Yeah.
Bynum Bluff Trail. That's a win, baby. Also, this PB&J busted.
It was really good. Well, you made it.
It busted, huh?
Did you make them?
Yeah, I did. I made this thing. Yep, this is it. Alright, set the pace. Oh shit.
That's tough.
We've made it to the flat part of the Bynum Bluff Trail. Pretty easy trail. There is a little decline and incline coming back up from the river, about halfway. It's not too bad though. I really enjoyed it. Totally worth it. So if you guys find this trail on the side of Old NC 105, definitely do it because it is definitely worth it. Very relaxing. We were the only people down there until we were just about to leave. Then another group got down there, but it was super awesome. We are heading back home. I've seen a lot of growth on the channel the last month or so. We're about 2 videos behind, so by the time you see this video, we're gonna already be in Fredericksburg, Virginia. That's where we're moving next. So tons of new exploration coming towards you guys. If you like these videos, please subscribe, share, like them. We're gonna keep putting them out. We appreciate all you guys' love and support. And until next time, don't throw stuff at me. Yeah, it landed like in my glasses. Until next time, you guys take care. Keep showing your love and support. We really, really appreciate it. And we love doing this. So, yeah, you got anything to say, baby?
Go hiking.
Woo! We're gonna go sit by the pool when we get back and relax, because we need it. Peace.